Okay. Look. Okay. This peach tree has been doing quite well. It seems to just really. This bonfire peach tree. I don't know. This is my only like peach tree that's fruiting size right now. But I'm gonna tell you, this thing just don't care about no weather. The leaves stay on until it's like frosty. It's the first thing to flower in the spring, and these fruit are just hanging on for dear life despite this weather being up and down. Like it's been like frosty here at night. It's like hot in the day, cold at night, and this peach tree just doesn't care. Okay, and I'm just not mad at all. Just look how pretty this is. The leaves are super luscious. I did add a little bit more mulch on here, but mostly I don't want to say due to laziness, because I've been mulching like all fall, winter, and now into the spring, so I'm tired. But it's got plenty of mulch at this time. Um, I mean, not so much around here, but these weeds and these strawberries will grow through and over mulch. So at this point, I'm really just waiting for the strawberries to fill in. But this is after I only thinned it out a little bit. I didn't want to take all the peaches off. I mean, why would I? Oh, see, I almost said a curse word. There goes a spider. I don't know if you can see him. Okay, sweetie, I'm gonna leave you alone. If you leave me alone, I didn't mean to disturb you. Now you see how big those are. These over here are just little at this point, but over here are doing fine-ish. So I guess I'm just flick. See, they just coming on off. And these are getting to a. I don't know where focus is. Yeah. They're already fuzzy and they're starting to put on some color. Lord, it's just so many things flying around. Just like, is it trying to sting me, bite me, stab me, shank me, shoot me? Who just, oh my goodness. Of course, this tree is beautiful and produces fruits. I think, I don't know. I don't want to say for certain, but I feel like the leaves are even more luscious this year. But I'm going to say this is its second year in the ground, and it fruited last year and this year, right? So you want something that's easy. Like, this tree really does not ask for much. And I didn't even mulch it first year, and it fruited. Did it keep the fruit? No. But, I mean, it said it was ready to go. It was me who didn't do enough to care for it. Not that it needed that much care, apparently. As you can see, it's doing quite fine without my input. I'm really thinking that bottom branch is going to have to come off. It's surely leaning away and tipping quite towards the ground. It's going to keep getting heavier. What is up with all of these sirens and trains and whatchamacallums? So, oh, this side is super open. I should have showed it to y'all from this angle. Let me just get in there. Hopefully without getting hopped up and smacked upside the head by a spider. Woof. Hello. Oh, okay. See, I gotta remove slowly because that's just against my nature. And there's some weird little cocoon thing. Of course, I didn't want to bother it because, for all I know, predator would have hopped out. It snatched me up by my head and been like, leave my home alone. And I'd been like, okay, that's your tree now. And I would have never came back. I would have to burn the tree down to get rid of it. But anyways, everything's looking peachy. Ha 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 ha. So it's doing fine for now. I mean, I think about it a little bit. Okay, I'm much. It fell off. one of the things that makes me feel less bad about that is that I feel like, the little unripe peaches that go down there and rot and then add some more nutrition to the soil so that I can grow more peaches in the future. So, anyways, that's just what the tree is doing in this suspicious back and forth weather. Now, I'm pretty sure these supposed to be ripe by June, but it might take a little bit longer if it's not going to be hot, all day and night. Because a lot of trees need that. I mean, summer bearing trees to ripen up properly. But this is a peach tree, so I don't know. Like I said, it dropped the fruit last year, so I just really am not sure. But it is a pretty little thing, isn't it? I thought I was going to get a little bit more height off of it, but it's only supposed to get up to 6 feet at the max. Anyways, I'll be back later with that. This is Home is a Jungle, where we're growing food.